What happens when Suzuki takes motocross aggression and supercharges it with massive displacement? The 2026 RM-Z 1050 rewrites the rules of off-road performance entirely. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're tackling something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a machine that pushes boundaries beyond anything we've seen before. Design. Suzuki has created an absolute beast. The aggressive bodywork features sharp angles and functional aerodynamics. That championship yellow pops beautifully against black accents and premium graphics. The frame geometry balances high-speed stability with nimble handling characteristics. Ergonomics accommodate aggressive riding positions while maintaining control during technical sections. Every detail serves a purpose here. Performance. The engine is where things get serious. This 1050cc power plant delivers staggering torque and horsepower that transforms dirt riding completely. Power delivery is surprisingly manageable despite massive displacement. Low-end grunt pulls through any terrain, while top-end rush is genuinely thrilling. Suspension components are fully adjustable and designed for serious abuse. The long travel forks and rear shock absorb massive impacts effortlessly. Ground clearance is generous, and the lightweight aluminum chassis keeps handling sharp despite the larger engine package. Features and technology. Suzuki loaded the RM-Z 1050 with intelligent technology. Selectable traction control modes adapt to varying terrain conditions. Launch control optimizes starts, and engine mapping provides customizable power characteristics. The digital display remains simple yet informative. Advanced fuel injection ensures consistent throttle response everywhere. Conclusion. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050. If this powerful machine impressed you, smash that like button and share with your crew. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Could you handle this much power? Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Catch you next time.